Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see the binomials with a common factor or common term. Okay, so this is the formula that we will apply to solve it. Okay, and this is a sample. Exists the graphical representation for that. It's very similar to the square binomial. Okay. Now we will see how we'll apply that. Okay, now we will see where does the formula comes. Okay, remember this is a simple multiplication, so you need to multiply x times x is equals to x squared. Okay, plus x times b xb plus a times x xa plus a times b ab. So you can factorize here the x and you will get that. Okay, so this is the formula that we will apply here. Okay, so you need to use that structure. Okay, let me reduce the size a little. Okay, this is the same structure that we will use here. Okay, now remember to know that you are working with binomials with common factor or common term. You need to be sure in that you have the same term in the both binomials. Okay, and you have two different terms. Okay, now remember we will apply the structure. So you look here, what means the x, okay, is the common term of the common factor. Okay, what is the common factor of the common term? Is the term that appears in the both binomials. In that case is 6x squared. Okay, let me reduce a little here. Okay, and again this is the common term. This is 6x squared. Okay, and you need to add here the another two terms. This is y plus 3y, and this is y and 3y. Okay, now you need to do the operations here. In that case this is 36x raised to 4. Okay, and now you need to add here first. This is 4y times 6, so this is 24x squared y. Okay, and this is a multiplication here. This is 3y squared. Okay, now the next exercise. Remember this is the common term of the common factor. It is 3x squared. Okay, let me reduce a little the size. Okay, now again you have the common term or the common factor, and here you will use another two terms. Okay, so now you need to do the operations here. Okay, in that case this is 9x to rise to 4. Okay, and here is you need to add here, well in that case it's a subtraction here. This is minus 2x. Okay, now you need to multiply here. In that case it's minus 6x square. No, this is cube. Okay, and now you need to multiply here. This is minus 3x square. Okay, okay, this is the results. Okay, the next topic of today is the cube of a binomial. Okay, so you have a binomial, so you need to calculate the cube of that binomial. This is the formula. This is a sample. You need to be careful here, because when you will calculate that, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, now we will see how you will apply that. Okay, this is the exercise that I will solve, but I will start first with the formula. Okay, and now we will see where does the formula comes. Okay, here, if you look here, you will to multiply that 3 times. Okay, you check here, you have a squared. Yeah, we watched that topic, so I can replace here by a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you now need to multiply that. Okay, so a squared times a, this is a cube plus a squared times b, this is a square b, plus 2ab times a, this is 2a square b. Yeah, 2ab times a. Okay, now plus 2ab times b, this is 2ab squared. Okay, plus b squared times a, this is ab squared. And b squared times b, this is b cubed. Okay, so now you need to reduce that like terms. Yeah, for example here this is a square b, this is a square b, so if you add here, this is 3a square b. Okay, and now this is ab squared, this is ab squared, so here is 3ab squared. Yep. And this is the formula of a cube of binomial. Okay, so now you need to apply here the structure. Okay, this is the structure that you need to apply here and here. Okay, this is 3x. Now this is 3x, and this is 2y, and this is 3x, and this is 2y, and this is 2y. Okay, now 3x raised to cube, or the cube of 3x. Yeah, this is 3 times 3 times 3. This is 27x cube. Yeah, now this is 3x squared. Yeah, here is 9x squared. Yeah, and now you need to multiply 3 times 9 times 2. This is 54x squared y. Okay, and here again you need to do the exponent first, so this is 4y squared. I need to multiply here 3 times 3 times 4. This is 36x y squared, and this is the last operation here. This is 8y cube. Okay, now the last exercise. Again, you need to use 2xy. Let me reduce a little here because we need it. Okay, this is 2xy, and this is minus y, and this is 2xy, and this is minus y, and this is minus y. Okay, now we will do the operations indicated here. This is 2xy all to cube, or the cube of that. Yeah, so in that case is 8x cube y cube. Okay, now you need to do the square of that first, so this is 4x squared okay. Now you need to multiply 3 times 4. This is 12x squared y cube but you need to change that sign, okay, because we have minus y. Okay, here this is minus y squared, so this is y squared. Okay, and you need to multiply 3 times 2. This is 6x y cube. Okay, and this is minus times minus is plus times minus, this is minus y cube. Okay, guys, you can represent the cube of binomial by a graphic, but it needs to be in three dimensions. Okay, so you need to understand that you have the A and B, and A and B in 3 axes. Okay, it's a little hard to understand, but it's possible. If you look here, you will have 4 different kind of terms. This is the reason that you have here 4 terms too. Okay, so the homework of today, you will send me the exercise 10 until 13 for the binomials with a common factor. Yeah, and from 14 until 17 from the cube of binomial. Okay, guys, this is all for today. I will wait for your homework.